Hello, welcome to the gyaldem kitchen. I'm back. I'm gonna cook the Cowfoot now. So here what? Let's go. First thing you do is bring out your pressure cooker. Slap it on pan, steak or whatever it is. But it's like a pressure. Alright, 30 minutes. Let's go. Put in some olive oil and wait till it hear it. Wanna hear it? Alright. Slap your Cowfoot in a pressure cooker and get it look a color first before you put on some water on it. You cover it with water once you see it look like it ready. So now I'm gonna leave it on and don't trouble it until the time is up. Now that the time is up, time to release the air with day night. Get your fork. What you're gonna do is juke them up. See if, ready or not. But by the looks of it, you need to go one more 30 minutes or less. Alright, so come I could do that now. So I'm transfer in a one different pot and pan the stove now. So I'm cut up some garlic, some bell pepper, purple onion, some ginger, tomato, scallion and some thyme. And them all are go in the pot. Make them simmer for a bit. Don't mind how small the pot is, they're warm. Alright? Airbnb life right now. Say good girl have to come out with a rice and peas on Sunday. Gungo. Yeah, I don't know about Gungo. If you know about Gungo, let me know in the comments because Gungo, me say Gungo nice. And I don't like Gungo because when me did little, me used to pick them out of the pods and me see what heap of worm on them something like that. That's why I don't like Gungo. But red peas, me love red peas. But Gungo, we're gonna try Gungo this Sunday. Listen, if it's still fresh, just slap in some salt, alright? Slap some ketchup because we have to thicken the gravy now. It'll slowly get thick, but it's alright if you not fully get thick. But what you can use is either some cornstarch or flour and water, alright? Just a little bit you need, alright? Hot and steamy. Look at that. I tell them say, Cowfoot, nice. But now no butter bean, We can't find a butter bean out there, so it's alright. We have veggie. So here what? I hope you like it. I hope so you try it. I love you. Bye.